Hey everyone, this is our Tardis Time Machine wireless car horn. Now it comes with one remote control. You can purchase additional remote controls if you want, but it does come with one remote control. Now we got this horn facing down. It's pretty loud and we don't want to hurt our ears here. Quick and easy installation. Your black wire coming from your horn will go to a ground somewhere. It could be your battery or anywhere you got a good ground source. And your red wire coming from your horn will go to a 12 volt power source. It could be your battery, your fuse, just anywhere you got a good 12 volt power source. So this is our Tardis Time Machine wireless car horn.